what we're looking at here is a Honda GXV140 sitting on my workbench. So it's well, it's been sitting on here, as you can see from where it is now. And there's a reason why I have it up here. You can probably see why I have it. So, why do I have it up here? Well, it's had an oil leak for quite a while. Actually, no, over 2 years ago. Oh no, more than that. It's had this oil leak coming from the crankshaft seal. You can see all this oil build up. You just see it's like a little bit of build up right there. Yeah, just a little bit right there. So if I want to replace the seal, the oil pan gasket might need to be replaced as well. And it's also leaking from there too. And not to mention, the O-ring for the bottom port of the dipstick was also bad too. So yeah, the motor hasn't ran in 2.5 years since that was the last time it ran, and it ran great after that. But before I get it running, I want to go ahead and get the parts laid out and start taking it apart, the gaskets, and start putting it together, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we're going to start by moving it with just a 1/4" ratchet. And if that's the socket it uses. See what I have here. Oh, it's called metric. This one's 10. Aha. Well, you know. 10mm. Oh. It's a 3/8 drive. Oh, right here. Had it right here, this thing. There we go. Let's take this extension right here. So let's go take extension right here. Now we gotta tip it somewhere where we can. Let's say if we tip it here upside down like this, it shouldn't hurt it. No, it shouldn't. Well, actually, first, oh shit. First, what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do steak brake clean. I just kind of clean this buildup up in here. I'm going to just take this build up here. getting tipped over. This yeah, we'll clean the oil pan a little bit. Alright, start cracking down. Okay. Wait, it might be a different size. Hope not, but we'll find out. So let's set them right here. Shit, here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we got about some bolts. Here, let's just start all the way across. Okay. That was a long wait. Exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. I'm pretty. Push this bolt right here. Right there. Okay, so the long bolt is for okay. Oh, that's a dipstick. Oh, I haven't seen it in a while. There might still be a bit of oil left in there, but not much. Really, I don't think this thing had an O-ring. Or no, it did. Nope. We'll put this bolt back in. What we're gonna do? Now what we're gonna do, in order to pry this thing open, is we're gonna take a never opened up this engine before, but if it's stuck on there, we're gonna just lightly pry that thing open. So take a rubber mallet and we'll just pry open like this. be. Well, it's actually breaking apart a little bit. Oof, I don't want to hit that. The thing's stuck on there after 31 years. Whew. Okay. Wow. So that's what all there is to it. So that's what the oil pan looks like. There's the seal, which we will be replacing. There is still some leftover oil in there, so you can actually see the gasket has failed in one usual spot. Yes, luckily, I'm lucky enough to not get this thing up too bad. Some a little gasket material. Alright, so it's time to go ahead and we'll go ahead and start cleaning this up. We'll start cleaning up the surfaces a bit. And we'll throw the new gasket on, replace that old oil seal, put the new one on, and we'll throw it back on. Alright, so let's get to it. See what we can do.